India's space agency, ISRO, has achieved a remarkable feat, launching the heaviest communication satellite from its own soil. This historic event, which took place on November 2, 2025, has captured the world's attention and is a testament to India's growing prowess in space exploration. The satellite, CMS-03, weighing a staggering 4,410 kilograms, was carried into orbit by the mighty Bahubali rocket, a new generation homegrown launch vehicle. This rocket, also known as LVM-3M5, demonstrated its power by placing the satellite into the desired geosynchronous transfer orbit, GTO. But here's where it gets intriguing. The satellite is a replacement for the GSAT 7 series, launched over a decade ago, showcasing ISRO's commitment to innovation and progress. ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan proudly announced the success, stating that the satellite was precisely injected into the required orbit. He likened the LVM-3 rocket to Bahubali, a powerful character from Indian folklore, highlighting its heavy lift capability. This launch follows the prestigious Chandrayaan-3 mission, which brought immense pride to the nation. The CMS-03 satellite is designed to provide communication services for a minimum of 15 years, marking another significant step towards India's self-reliance in space technology. Despite weather challenges, ISRO scientists persevered, ensuring the mission's success. This achievement reduces India's reliance on foreign launch services, such as the Kourou launch base in French Guiana, for heavier satellite launches. Previously, ISRO's heaviest communications satellite, GSAT-11, weighing 5,854 kilograms, was launched from French Guiana in 2018. However, with the LVM-3M5, ISRO has now gained full self-reliance for launching satellites weighing up to 4,000 kilograms in GTO. This rocket, also known as Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV, Mk3, showcases ISRO's expertise in classifying launch vehicles based on mission objectives and targeted orbits. ISRO's trusted workhorse, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, has been a reliable partner for scientists, ensuring mission success. For smaller satellites, the Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, SSLV, is utilized, while the GSLV with a cryogenic upper stage carries heavier payloads. The LVM-3 rockets, however, have taken it to the next level, capable of handling payloads exceeding 4,000 kilograms. The LVM-3 rocket's significance is underscored by its successful launch of heavier satellites from India. This particular mission, LVM-3M5, is the fifth operational flight, and the LVM-3 vehicle boasts a 100% success rate since its first development flight in 2014. ISRO even plans to use a human-rated version of LVM-3, named HRLV, for the ambitious Gaganyaan mission. The LVM-3 rocket's power lies in its cryogenic stage, enabling it to carry payloads of up to 8,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit. The solid rocket boosters, S-200, developed at Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, provide the necessary thrust for liftoff. The third stage, L-110, is powered by Vikas engines, showcasing ISRO's in-house engine design capabilities. The LVM-3 rocket's previous mission, the Chandrayaan-3, was a landmark achievement, making India the first country to successfully land near the lunar South Pole in 2023. This latest launch further cements ISRO's reputation and paves the way for future space exploration. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about launching satellites, it's about India's journey towards becoming a space superpower. What do you think about ISRO's latest achievement? Is India's space program on the right track? Share your thoughts and let's discuss the future of space exploration.